So I'm going to show you how to export and also how to import passwords into the Google Password Manager of your Galaxy A27. So let's say you use your Google Password Manager and you want to import some passwords from somewhere, either a CSV file you've saved somewhere on your phone, or you want to export to a different device. You go into Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, scroll down to More Security Settings. Tap on that. And then now, if you scroll down, you will see Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill. Tap on that. And then this is where you can choose Google because you want to do this for the Google Password Manager. Now, this is where you can customize everything. Now, if you go to the Google Password Manager, you can see your passwords there. You can also see the passwords themselves and passkeys. Now, if you tap on settings, you have the option to export passwords, which will download a copy of all your passwords onto the phone. So you can use that elsewhere. And also you have the option to import passwords. So in case you have a passwords file, maybe you exported it from somewhere, maybe you had an iPhone and you exported all your passwords, and now you want to import them into your Google Password Manager, this is where you do it from. Okay, so it says to edit your saved password, set a screen lock in settings. Of course, you need to have a lock screen password to be able to use this feature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.